There was this guy owayethanda ne-family so umuntu wesifazane amthandayo. So this family bonke bakhuluma isingisi like hi, how are you doing, kid?
Yeah.
Lovely, how was your day? Good. And then this guy like my day was admitted nje ngephutha wasengena esibhedlela. Admitted so manje esibhedlela kwezwa amagama surgical ward, x-ray, drip.
Yeah.
Nazo. Good shot. Nazo. Yeah. And then he was out. He was back from esibhedlela. So my family that English. That English. But family, what's happening? No English. Speak English. But the family, okay, what? That your surgical ward. But what about it? Your drip. X-ray. Yeah. X-ray. Yeah.
No,
X-ray.
the two of you are too much.
X-ray.
Radiography.
Yeah. Radiography. Yes. Yeah. Checkups. Yeah.
Second.
Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Celebrity Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma Mr. Magic ubaba ke uLinda Sibiya uSotobe. Simazi kakhulu ke lapha ke kuKhozi FM nokwenzeka ke inxushunxushu ke wagcina ke esexoshwe emsebenzini. So igagasi guys lenze ezibukwayo lavela lamthatha lambuyisa lamhlanganisa ke no Felix Hlophe kanye ke noMini Ntuli lapha ke kwi-uprising. Yo abantu bajabule mo check nje ama comment you'll see ukuthi yazini that was a beautiful step by igagasi management ukuthi ke balethe uLinda Sibiya ke emoyeni, and uhlanganisa nje uMr Sibiya noma ke uLinda Sibiya kanye ke no Felix Hlophe nakhona nje uyabona ukuthi abantu bahleka kuzibuhlungu iziso. Into abayisho bathi cha bayacela ukuthi ke basale sebemnika noma icontract ka 1 year uMr Magic bakithi lapha emoyeni kwigagasi, bathi siyacela abantu ukuthi nimnike nje hayi bomnikeni Nkosi yami unyaka nje at least. Abanye bathi sicela ukuthi sihlukanise unyaka nabo uMini Ntuli noLinda Sibiya kanye no Felix Hlophe, bathi sicela ukuhlukanisa nabo ke unyaka ngoba wow, what a combination. Let's check few comments la. Uthi omunye ke great combination for the show, bring Mr Magic on board, that will take the show to the next level. Felix though, the last part, okay, the legendary himself, Mr Magic surgical ward, okay, that was just a joke at the beyenza ke lapha ngama surgical ward. Yeah, bakithi bayamthanda abantu ngithi wegagasi cha I investan lapho salana senimthatha nje impela. Abanye bathi hayibo nihambe nobheka noSibu nizombuyisa ngapha. Ngazi ukuthi guys igagasi kanye noKhozi competition iyakhuphuka kunokuthi ke iyehlele. So yeah guys, angazi noma ke ukujabulele nokumuzwa emoyeni mawukuthi ke uyalalela igagasi now uyafisa yini ukuthi bamnike nje icontract ka 1 year noma nje basazi bemqasha ke bakithi basaje sibemqasha uMr Magic ngoba wow uyawuthanda umsakazo, uyathanda ukusakaza, uyathanda ukuba semoyeni. So I think naye he will love that, he will love ukuba semoyeni because uyathanda ke ukusakaza. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.